In today's video, I'll show you how to create an online product catalog step by step. First, go to the website. When you land on the clean user interface, you'll see two sign-up options: Start Free with Email and Start Free with Google. I'll select Start Free with Google to continue. After signing up and logging in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Here, you'll see an option to upload your PDF catalog. Click on Upload PDF and select your product catalog file from your device. Once uploaded, the platform will take a few moments to process your file and generate a preview. After that, your catalog will appear as a flipbook that users can easily browse. Now you can customize your catalog. Edit the name and description, change the background, upload your logo, adjust menu settings like thumbnails, full screen, and print options, add security by setting a password, enable a lead form, modify preferences like shadows, indexing, and page layout. After making all the changes, click on Share. Your catalog will be published online and you'll get a shareable link. You can open the link in an incognito window to check how your catalog looks to others. And that's it. Your online product catalog is now ready. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.